All right, here we are, March 4th, 2021, and today is demolition day. Rock and roll, I got my juice, man. Got my tunes, I'm ready to go. Yeah, you know it's demolition day when I got the Red Bull out this early in the morning. But the dirt is drying out nicely with the sun and 60s and breeze. Pretty sure this road is going to be ready to go for today. I'm going to warm up the machines and we'll get started. So here's a before look at the new road here. You could see, you see how I'm walking on it now, and that's even in a track, and it's not sticking to my boots. So it's drying out real nicely, so I'm going to put a grade on it. Me or Curtis, we're going to grade it first, and then we're going to get started. Not bad considering how wet it's been. I think this will hold up. You see I pulled just a smidge too much dirt here. There's a railroad tie, but I think this base is going to hold up well. So let's get started here on the mobile home. So I told Curtis he could practice a little yesterday with the excavator, but not to knock any of it down. So either he got a little bit antsy or Casey and Ron did. I like to leave the fun stuff to share with you guys, but we got half of it we're going to demolish. It should go very, very quick, and we're not going to crunch a lot of this just because we don't want to lose or make a trail of small stuff along the way. So we'll just take big grabs the best we can and haul it out to the dumpster as long as the road holds up. So here's a drone shot from December. Obviously we've got a lot done since this time, but I just want to show you where this mobile home is in the back and the path that we got to take to kind of wiggle our way up to the front to the dumpster. So if you look here at the top of the screen, that's the mobile home right there, and we got to follow this peninsula down over this way and then across the new road that we just built and then up to the dumpster. Go down in a really short order. Alright, I got Curtis set up in the skid steer. Time to clean up this mess. This is the last home on this mobile home or anything that needs to be tore down. So nothing goes wrong today. We're going to be in really good shape. Get this last dumpster out, and then it's just small cleanup, dirt work, maybe some planting and grading and all that. So that Steve from the Little Massey Mayhem, he's going to bring his rake here probably in the next few days, because it's good weather looking. The weather's looking good ahead. None of these other jobs are going to be as fun, but it's so easy. All right. Yeah, let's rock and roll. I got my Red Bull and my juice. We're gonna roll, baby. Ah, my rib hurts now. I guess I'll have to go home for a couple days, so dang it. one tie a little too high there. I'll tweak that up here a little later. He's getting really nice bites now with the grapple, so this shouldn't take too long. Shouldn't take too long. Gotta pull this stump, but this is a hefty one. You don't really want to move. Suppose I could start on it maybe in between trips for Curtis. And I'm gonna leave it so we don't have a big hole there. Gotta watch it. I got trees back here, and the pond is right here. Warm in here. All right, I'll wait for him to clean these up. I would go do something else, but it might only be 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'll be needed again. Getting better at double and triple scooping. Probably lose a little bit of that one.